The future is in the cloud, and AWS is leading the charge. Are you ready to not just understand it, but to design, build, and secure cutting-edge cloud solutions? Welcome to the Ultimate AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate 2025 course, powered by Celoris Academy. This program is your comprehensive blueprint to conquering the SAA C03 exam and becoming a highly sought-after AWS solutions architect. It's more than just a certification. It's your launchpad to a thriving career in cloud computing. In this course, we don't just teach you services, we teach you how to think like an architect. You'll learn to design systems that are not only scalable and highly available, but also fault-tolerant, secure, and incredibly cost-effective. We break down complex concepts into digestible lessons, reinforced with real-world scenarios. We'll dive deep into every essential AWS domain, master core compute services like EC2, Lambda, and containers, explore robust storage solutions with S3, EBS, and EFS, secure and connect your resources with advanced VPC networking, Route 53 for intelligent DNS, and CloudFront for global content delivery. You'll navigate the vast world of AWS databases, from RDS and Aurora to the power of DynamoDB. But architecture isn't just about building, it's about building right. You'll learn to implement robust IAM security, design for disaster recovery, monitor your infrastructure with CloudWatch and CloudTrail, and critically, optimize for cost. We embed the principles of the AWS well-architected framework into every lesson, teaching you the best practices for operational excellence, security, reliability, performance, and sustainability. Enroll today and take the definitive step towards becoming an AWS Solutions Architect Associate.